Hey yo, what's going on with the viewers of the tube? Tyler here of chicocrypto, coming to you guys with a candid video, not live, not in the studio, but out in nature, aka Chico's backyard once again. And I know I usually do live streams on Saturday. I just decided to do a candid video, a little bit easier than a full live stream. Those do take a while. But I will be living with you guys here soon, so don't worry about that. But now let's just get right into the content. I know I'm saying that this Bitcoin pump, if you can consider it a pump, is telling me that something unexpected is coming by next week. So the unexpected is no one really knows what's going to happen with the price. You know, is it going to go down significantly or are we going to go up significantly? But there is an indicator that is showing that something is building, something is bubbling, like big time, you guys. And that is open interest, Bitcoin open interest. So open interest isn't, you know, are people interested in Bitcoin, like Google searching it or whatever. It has to do with leverage, and open interest actually is interest in the leverage markets. How many leverage positions are open on leverage exchanges? And that open interest is at one of the highest points we've seen in a long time. So throughout this year, this open interest has hit this level about 4 or 5 times, and 4 out of the 5 times it has went down. But one of the times in July when open interest reached this level, we pumped. So based on, you know, just what's happened in the past, you know, of course, we probably are going to go down because 4 out of 5 times it has gone down when open interest has reached this level. But, you know, maybe statistics, you know, okay, we've went down 4 times, 1 time. Maybe we are due to go up, you guys. So what is my personal opinion? What do I think is going to happen? Well, I'm actually short-term kind of bullish. I do have a feeling that they don't want to wipe out the leverage below, you know, 40K. There is a lot of long leverage in the 30 to 40K region that could be wiped out. But a lot of those positions could have been closed already. I'm sure a lot of them have. So there is more opportunity to wipe out some of these leverage positions if they get the markets bullish once again, in the 40 to 50K range once again. So I do have a feeling that a lot of longs will be opened if Bitcoin jumps up above 45K, starts pushing towards 50K, and they could wipe out a lot more in that region, like a lot more. So I'm actually short-term bullish, you guys, for next week. I do think a pump is coming, but I am kind of long-term bearish, and this has to do with what's going on in, you know, the traditional financial world. What's going on with the Fed. A lot of people say the Fed has dug themselves a hole and they can't raise interest rates. Well, that is kind of true. You know, they do raise rates, they are going to crash markets all around. Bitcoin's not going to be immune, you guys. Bitcoin will go down if the Fed raises rates. But in my opinion, they're going to have to. I mean, if they don't, they are going to destroy America. They're going to destroy the American dream, even though they've already destroyed that. But people aren't going to be able to survive because inflation's going to get absolutely crazy, out of this world crazy. So, I mean, just pay attention to some people who know the markets, traditional financial markets. I'm not talking about crypto or Bitcoin. But people like Jamie Dimon. Oh, Kitty Wayne! What's up, Kitty Wayne? I love you, Kitty Wayne. Say hi, Kitty Wayne. I don't know if you guys got him, but let that focus back on me. But yeah, no, listen to people who know the markets, traditional markets, a little bit better than us. Like Jamie Dimon, you know, he is part of JP Morgan, and he actually just recently said that he predicts that the Fed could raise the rates up to 6 to 7 times this year alone, you guys. So if that happens, you know, traditional markets are going to get crushed. I mean, stocks are going to get crushed, and that means Bitcoin is going to get crushed, you guys. Whenever inflation has got to this level in the past, I mean, just look at inflation charts, you guys. We go into recessions because they raise rates. They have to, or Americans are going to be hurting big time. But now I want to talk about something that's not Bitcoin related. I want to talk about Ethereum. Some things are getting me worried about Ethereum. I'm probably going to make a full video on this type of content because I can't really do the best explaining it with just a candid video. I need to fully research it and put it out in a well-written script and everything. But Ethereum and its security status is in trouble. So the Ripple SEC case is going on, you guys, and there was something that came out. So William Heinman, he said he's one of the reasons Ethereum has been considered not a security. He was a top SEC official, and he's the one that, put out the statement that Ethereum isn't a security. Well, now that statement is basically in the SEC and Ripple case has been said that just is his opinion, you guys. It's his opinion, just the sole guy alone. It's not the facts or the legality from the SEC, which in the past that has been the case. People have said, since Heinman, whatever his name is, has said that is the position, that is SEC's, legal position, that Ethereum isn't a security, which would put it in the commodity status like Bitcoin and Ethereum, which means it's out of, the SEC's grasp and everything. Well, that isn't the case, you guys. And what worries me right now is the head of the SEC, current head of the SEC, Gary Gensler, he was just on CNBC, and he was asked if Ethereum was a security. And guess what? He wouldn't frickin' answer the question. He was, no, not putting out a statement. Why wouldn't he? I mean, if that is the position of the SEC, that Ethereum isn't a security, he would just say Ethereum isn't a security. So you guys, Ethereum and its status is in trouble, in my opinion. And I don't like this, because if they are able to, classify Ethereum as a security, that just opens the door for DeFi. And that's one of the reasons why I think this could be the case. They could be coming after Ethereum. Is Ethereum is classified as a security by the SEC. Guess what happens? Guess what freaking happens, you guys? All the DeFi protocols, easy. The precedent's already set in court, the precedent is there. They are able to come after every ICO that deployed on Ethereum and easily classify them as securities. And DeFi, as we know, has grown and is threatening the traditional financial world, and the SEC wants to have full control over DeFi. They want full control over the crypto markets. They don't have it with Bitcoin. Bitcoin's the only one, that's been classified fully as a commodity, and it's just known that it is a commodity. Well, the SEC is saying, I'm coming after everything else. So that worries me, and 2022 is going to be a big year for, what happens with regulators. I'm kind of worried about the Ripple case. I almost have a feeling that it was kind of set up to be like this. It's not about Ripple and classifying Ripple as a security. It's actually going back and being able to get Ethereum and classify it as a security and take down what's happened, DeFi has unshackled a lot of people and gave people financial freedom through, some of these APYs and the ability to stack money and leverage their assets in ways that weren't possible in the traditional financial system unless you're buku rich. Well, it's given people like me and you the opportunity to get those APYs that some of the richer people get out in this world. So you guys, again, be wary about this case. I need to make some content on it because it is one of the biggest things in the crypto markets that's happening right now. I think that's about it, you guys. And just to end the episode off with a little bit bit about me. I'm feeling better, of course. I'm not 100% back to, you know, myself. But I'm getting there, you guys. I've taken the steps. I quit smoking again. I've quit smoking the Mary Jane. I'm working out again. And yeah, I'm back on the path to feeling better, which equals great content as well. So thanks you guys for tuning in for the candid video. Watch out. I think it's going to be a Bitcoin pump next week. Short-term bullish, long-term kind of bearish, depending on what happens with the markets. See you guys.